Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect sandwich. It's so delicious and very easy to follow. So for this recipe I'll be using 3 eggs, so you can use the amount of eggs that you want. Now we're just going to boil this egg until it's hard boiled. So when it's done boiling, you're just going to bring it out and then place it into a cold water so that it can cool down. We don't want it too hot before you peel. So when it's cooled enough, you bring it out and then you proceed to peel it. When you're done peeling, you're just going to place it in a bowl. So with that done, we're just going to go ahead and break this down. Okay, we're just going to break it down into little bits. When that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add mayonnaise to it. Then I'm also going to add some onions. I'm using red onions here. So I'm also going to be adding some black pepper, some salt, and some parsley. Now I'm just going to mix this together to combine. Mix together until perfectly combined. So when that's done, you're just going to bring out your slices of bread. Go ahead and spread some mayonnaise or some butter depending on your choice on the bread. And when that's done, you're going to go ahead and layer in the mixtures, the combination of what you did. So we're just going to put this in and then we're going to coat it until it's evenly spread. When that's done, you're going to cover with the other slice of bread and then we're just going to cut it in two. If you want, you can also cut out the edges, but I love the edges of bread, so I'm not going to be cutting mine out. But you can do that if you want. And that's just it. That's how you make your beautiful and delicious egg sandwich. It's so easy and so perfect for a quick breakfast or a snack. It's very nice and it's sure to hit the spot. Thanks for watching. Bye.